welcome back. In this video, we're going to look at how we can actually update a previous version of the Power theme that we have on our store to a new version of the theme. And you might want to do this for a couple of reasons. The first is if you do have an older version and we release a new version, you might want to kind of bring it into your store and then transfer over all the settings that you've made in the current version to the new version. So that's one reason. Another reason might be maybe you just want to start fresh, bring in a different copy of your theme and just transfer the settings over. So whatever the reason is, we're going to look at how we can quickly do that in this video. So to start, I'm just going to drag over an updated version of the Power theme. So you can see that we're on version 2.1 here. So I'm just going to go upload theme and then drag and drop version 3 here. Click upload file. Okay, so now it's added. So just make sure you give this a little time because it can take a minute or two, or even longer sometimes, to kind of get uploaded to Shopify. So just make sure you give this a minute to upload. And once you get the icon here that says just added, we're good to go. But if we go into customize this new version that we just added, we'll notice that we're getting the prompt to add our key code. And then if we do enter our key code, we'll also notice that none of our settings that we, or none of our customizations that we did in our current theme will be transferred over right away. So in order to do that, we actually need to go into our live theme, click on Actions, click Edit Code. Then we're going to scroll down to the config section right here. Then we're going to click on, I believe it's settings data. Yeah, this is the one here. So settings_data.json. So there's two files here. One is settings_data, one is settings_schema. So you're going to want to click on the settings_data JSON file right here. And then all you need to do is Command A or Control A, depending on if you're on a Mac or Windows machine, and just copy the entire file. So everything is highlighted in the file, and copy it over with Control C and click back. Go into our new theme that we just uploaded. Click on Actions, Edit Code. Scroll down to the same place. So config settings_data.json. And we can see looks like a very similar file. So what we're going to do is replace what's in this inside this file with what's inside our live theme file. So again, just do a Control or Command A to select everything. Click backspace to get rid of everything, and then do a Control or Command V to paste in that file that you got from your current theme. And then that should be it. So just click Save here and give it a second. Once you get the asset is saved, back out. Now go into Customize for the new theme. And now we can see that all of the settings and customization that we did in our live theme are now transferred over to this version 3 of the new theme that we just brought onto our store. So the home page is there, and all the custom landing pages, basically everything that we did in the live theme transferred over. So that is how you update your theme with the Power theme and bring in a fresh copy, and how you transfer over all the customizations of your current theme onto the new copy very easily. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.